What's going on? It's KaiDarts back with another video. Look, we just hit 800 subscribers, guys, and I'm super excited. I know it's not a large number, but it's definitely a milestone worth celebrating, especially considering the fact that I just started posting regularly on the YouTube channel. And a way for me to give back and say thanks for supporting me on YouTube, and as well as the super supporters over my Patreon, I have provided you guys a link in the description below where you can download 5 of my game-ready low poly assets for free. So that means all the props have been UV unwrapped, fully textured inside the Substance Painter, and packaged for your use in your personal projects. And with that being said, you guys can use these props for any 3D applications such as 3ds Max, Maya, Cinema 4D, Blender, and even Unreal Engine 4. My only big thing is, guys, just please do not attempt to sell the models that I provided for you guys for free. I worked really hard on these. So without further ado, go download those. And as well, guys, if you haven't checked out my Patreon, go check that out, because every week there will be 5 props that you guys can download for free on the Patreon tier 2, as well as Patreon only access to specific tutorials. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you on the other side.